Welcome to the Fox Run subdivision located in Manchester, Tennessee, just south of Nashville. Guys, behind me you're going to see a Harney home development that is in full swing. We've got single-family residential homes. We've got multiple homes being built behind us. We've got vacant land to my right-hand side that's going to be developed. Guys, this development as a whole offers anywhere from 1,800 to 2,800 square feet of living, single-family residence. The price point, you're going to be able to find them anywhere from $300,000 up to $500,000. So if you enjoy this kind of content, please hit the subscribe button, follow along with us as we go take a quick look at these 6 different floor plans that we have to show you. Welcome to the Greenbriar, located at 115 Blandford Circle. This model offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 1,664 square feet of living. This model is 2 floors, so all of the bedrooms will be found on the 2nd floor. If you enjoy watching videos and home tours like these, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you've enjoyed this video, please take time to hit the subscribe button to encourage us to go out and shoot more home tours for you. If you want more information or would like to schedule your private showing, please give us a call or text at 931-409-8985.